Amberlynn, we got Aaron and Ashton. It's the AJ show. It's the AJ show.
Love the AJ.
Hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back. And as you can tell from the title, we are gonna be dressing up our kids as celebrities, and you already know your girl is gonna be in there too. And we decided to do TLC. If you don't know who TLC is, please exit left and go ahead and Google them and see who they are, because they are like the ultimate girl group of my time from when I was younger. And of course, girls rule this house. So I was like, you know what? Let's be TLC. So I'm gonna be T-Boz. We're gonna have Ashton be Left Eye, and Aaron is gonna be Chili. So y'all, let's get started. All right, y'all. So I purchased all of our pajamas from Amazon. I'm gonna have the blue. We're gonna have Aaron in the pink. Ashton will be in red. I also got this blonde wig, y'all. Let me show y'all this wig. Hold on, don't fall wig. Hold on. Let me show y'all this wig, y'all. This wig needs some work. So I'm gonna show y'all a picture of T-Boz so you can see what exactly I was trying to do that did not happen. Put it on. I'm just gonna place it on my head so y'all can see what I'm talking about. How it look crazy AF, okay? So this is what we got. You wanna wear it?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. This is what we got, y'all. So of course, your girl is gonna have to like get it right, you know, cause I mean, I'm gonna show y'all the picture so y'all can see, but basically her front, she has like these long bangs, and then it's just like not all of this, and like this is like cut all the way in the back. So like, you know, and then this is like a short haircut in the back. So I'm gonna have to play with this thing here and cut it up a little bit. So y'all wish me luck. I'm about to go do it. I'm about to go cut me some hair, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all my get up, okay? I'm gonna show y'all my do. I can't see. I can't see. You wanna wear it?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna go cut it up, and I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna show y'all what this do. All right. All right, y'all, I'm back with my wig. I chopped it up, so I got me and my little T-Boz. Now, I'm not gonna show y'all the back, y'all, cause it's a little Y'all just need to focus right here, T-Boz, okay? So I got my T-Boz wig cut up. So next, we are gonna get dressed.
Yes.
Of course. You wanna get dressed?
Yeah.
You're gonna be left eye here. Say what's up, left eye. Say what's up, it's your girl left eye coming through. Say what's up, it's your girl left eye coming through. Go ahead, say it. Say what's up, it's your girl left eye coming through. Okay. Okay. Already, we ready. Come on, let's get dressed. Yes. We gotta practice that move. All right, left eye, she had like a little bow or something in her head. So what's that? This the right, this the left. We're gonna put you a little bow, but not a little bow, a big bow. Cause you left eye, say left eye.
Left eye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see if I can. Boom. All right, now I got some paint. You need like a little mark under your eye.
Huh?
A mark under your eye.
No.
Right here. Okay.
Okay.
Let me put some on here. All right. Don't touch it, okay?
Okay.
Pretty. Left eye. Cute. Is it cute? Look at left eye, y'all. Don't touch it, let it dry, okay?
Okay.
Okay. She don't let it dry. Oh, baby. Oh, She's like, what is she doing? Y'all, this little gold, I don't know about this. Don't think. I hope y'all not seeing the back. The back is whack. Okay. All right, now we gotta get Aaron dressed. Okay, don't touch me. I don't want it to get wet. I don't want it to smudge. Yeah. All right, so now Aaron's turn to get dressed. Oh, look at my left eye. Let me see left eye. Okay. Ooh, can you dance? Go ahead. Go ahead. You ready? Okay, Ashley ready, y'all. She ready. She ready. We about to do this music video in a little bit, y'all, and it's gonna be lit. I need all of y'all to be paying attention, like this video, and comment down below. And y'all, don't forget to subscribe, because this music video is about to be lit. I'm telling y'all, it's about to be lit. About to be lit.
Yes, it's me again, and I'm back.
Ain't nobody trying to get copyrighted.